Okay, now Mr. Bách has a letter up here, okay, and we have a lot of empty spaces, blanks. Now, I will give you 30 seconds, okay, to read through everything. Okay, then Mr. Bách is going to ask you to fill in the blanks with either simple present or present continuous. Okay? Alright, now 30 seconds. Read through from number 1 to number 11. Go. Finish? Okay, now very simple. Miss Bách is going to give you a number. For example, when I say number 1, okay, your job is ring the bell and answer. Very simple. Okay. Number 2, go. Very good. I want to get better at it. Okay. Good job. Number 3, go. Full sentence and very good. And I think it's good. Same as I think. Almost. Okay. Number 4, go. Oh. Okay. Rock paper scissors. 1, 2, 3. Go.
I'm going to local school and this teamwork.
Okay, very good. Number 4. I'm going to a local school. Is it correct? Is it correct? I'm going to a local school. Is it correct? And it's not correct. I go to a local school. Okay? I go to a local school. Do you go to school every day?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The fact, something we always do. Okay? Not I'm going to school. Not now. I go to school. Okay? Now, number 5, go. Very good. We are studying for our exam. Okay? Now, lưu ý nào. Pay attention. I go to school, but now I am studying for our exam. Okay? Get it? Okay. Number 6, go. And very good. I'm working very hard at school now. Yeah, I'm working very hard at school now. Đúng rồi. Nó sử dụng như hai cái là câu một là cái mình đang làm bây giờ, hoặc là hai á là cái điều mình trước giờ mình không bao giờ làm mà giờ đột nhiên mình làm. Ok, và một cái nữa thấy có nhau không? Ok, được chưa? Cái ý câu này là gì? Học gì này nó siêu. Ok, just like you. Ok, number 7, let's go. Very good. I need to get good results. Okay, usually there's no needing. Thông thường không ai dùng needing cả. Được chưa? I need. Okay, alright. Number 8, go. Bách. In my spare time. Classical. Very good. I like classical music. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to give this chance to thầy. Okay. Number 9. Thầy. Again.
I need to lie. Not lie.
What tense are we using? Simple present. Didn't is for the past. Okay. Say it again. I don't like. Okay. pop music, not pop music. Okay, this is pop. This is pop. Okay, good. Okay, now play again now. Number 10, go.
I don't like
Number 10.
I don't play video games.
Okay, I don't play video games. Okay, 11, go. And I don't watch TV. Okay, very good. Good job. Now let's count our points. Say how many have you got? 3, and how many have you got left? 5, very good. There you're the winner. Good job. One more time. Don't you? Good job. Okay, very good.